This is, let's see. It's Maggie Rose opening this show up tonight. She's one of my favorite girl singers out there right now. Y'all give it up for Maggie Rose. Then we got a man named Easton Corbin coming up after me. And by the look at all these young, pretty ladies, we got Hunter Hayes on the way there. Which I know, at a Hunter Hayes show, man, there's a lot of single girls in the crowd, ain't there? A lot of wild girls. How many of y'all like to get wild on the weekends here? I wrote this song about a wild girl my mama hated, man.
What are you talking about, Willis?
She hated her. I liked her a lot. I found out why my mom hated her. She broke my heart after about 6 weeks, alright? So I wrote this song about her. It's called Hurricane. It goes like this.
Love this song.